How to make perfect rice on the stovetop. The first thing you'll need to do is to wash 1 cup of rice until the water is as clear as you can get it to be. After you're finished washing the rice, add 1 cup of water to the pot with rice. Next, you'll add a half teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of butter. Set your burner on medium-high flame. When the water is at a boil and has been reduced to about half the water you originally had in the pot, cover the pot, turn your flame down on low, and after 20 minutes, your rice will be done and it will be ready to be enjoyed.